Hey everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to log out on SlideShare. I wonder why you want to know how to log out on SlideShare. Maybe you having some issues with your account and someone suggested that you have to log out and log in again and that issue will be solved. Or maybe you have created another account so you want to use that one and log out of from this account, or maybe you're going on a vacation, or maybe just taking a break so you just want to log out from everything, so you're also logging out from the SlideShare, or there could be any other reason for you to log out on SlideShare. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you can log out on SlideShare. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the SlideShare app, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. Once the app gets installed, make sure you have created your account on it and you also logged in on it. If you're not logged in, then you couldn't log out, so you have to keep that in mind. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the SlideShare app to open it. Once the app gets open, you will see this interface. This is how the app looks. We have different kind of slides on our home screen because we are in the home section. Other than home section, we have two more sections, explore and view, which are following at the bottom side of the screen. As you can see, we have three options. If you tab on to explore, there you will see different things. If you're looking for something specific, you could search for it, and you can search through following and from the categories. Other than this option, we have this third option, you, which is your profile. Once you get there, you will see your name, your following, follower list, and other stuff like download, saves, and other stuff. You will also notice the settings icon. Just simply click on it and then you will land into settings. Once you get here, first you will read the title of settings and you will see all these options. Every option here is different from each other and has its own purpose that it performs in this app. So here at the last we have this option logout. Once you tap on it, you will immediately get logged out from your account. It will not ask you second time to confirm it or to show it. It just immediately log out from your account. And now if you again want to get back to your account, just simply click on login and enter your email address that you used when you created your account, and you will be able to get back to your account and you could use it. So here you don't have to worry that what will happen to your data, it will get lost or not. So don't worry, everything will be in your account. Once you get logged into your account, you will get everything back. Nothing will be lost, everything will be in your account. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can log out on SlideShare. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.